Welcome to this Key Stage 3 and 4 video demo of DC360. I'm Cameron and I will show you through the site. Here I am logged into Ricky Rickster, our demo student. This is what the student will see when they first log on to the site. On the left hand side they are able to choose their units. We provide a variety of courses from Key Stage 3 Computing, Key Stage 4 IT, Computer Science, and iMedia. Let's navigate to Safety and Security, the first unit in Key Stage 3 Computing. Our units are split into lessons, tasks, homework, and end-of-unit tests. Clicking on Lessons, we can see the multiple stages that will take us through this unit. Let's have a look at Stage 7. If the student has already attempted the stage, it will show this screen. Let's select No to start from the beginning. If I click the Show Blocks on the side, the students are able to view the progress throughout the units. They have access to our accessibility functions, including reducing the font size, increasing the font size, and selecting a colour scheme for those that are visually impaired. All of our stages start with an Objectives and Outcomes page, which talks them through what they will learn in the unit and how to make notes. Clicking on the button at the bottom will take them to the next page. The DC360 stages are designed to be interactive and fun for the students, and covers everything included in the national curriculum. Every now and again they will be asked questions. This is Angus, one of our frequently recurring characters across DC360. Angus is wondering which of the following options is the most secure: public, private, or study buddies. The correct answer is private. Here we can see the response. We can see we got this correct, and we are able to collect a token. Collecting tokens enables us to use them in the DC360 swap shop. Let's go there now. If we navigate to the Safety and Security swap shop, we are able to see all of the stash items that we have collected so far. Let's buy the Notes item for 5 tokens. Here we can see we have obtained the item for our stash. If I go back to my stash, I can see it has now been added to the list of items that I have. The final remaining item is greyed out still. This system encourages the students to get questions correct, making sure they pay attention throughout the courses. Continuing to the next page, we can see that there is a variety of question types within this stage. The previous one was multiple choice, whereas this one asks us to choose from a drop-down menu for each heading. Again, we got this correct, and we were able to collect a token. When within a stage, students are also able to access the sidebar. Here they can access a stop clock, a calculator, or our sandbox programming environments. They also have access to their notes, and can make new notes based on the content they are learning. And save the new note for later. If I head back to the dashboard, here we are able to see the tasks that have been set for the student, including tasks, home learning activities, homework, and they're also able to view messages from here also. Clicking through to the Resources tab, we can see there are flashcards, a glossary, our built-in photographic software, a variety of free software, and resources that they are able to access. If we look at the flashcard system, there is a variety of flashcards that are pre-built, and students are able to go through and mark their knowledge of different ones. The glossary contains a list of words that are used throughout DC360. If they are ever unsure of a word, they can come here and search for it. Each word comes with a description, 2 examples, and an image that can be associated with that word. We have a variety of free software that is available for the students to download. This is all frequently updated to the newest versions. Our built-in photographic software is a powerful, fully functional graphics editor that is able to do everything a student needs. Back at the dashboard, I am now logged in to Mr. Thompson, our demo teacher. The teacher has access to many of the same functions as the students do. In addition, they can see the Teacher tab. Here they are able to access unit plans, lesson plans, the lesson tracker, progress and grades, as well as a bunch of other features. Here we can see the unit plans that give a rough idea as to how the units should be taught and in what order. They describe how each unit maps to the national curriculum and roughly how long it takes to teach the unit. Below, there is also supplemental material, including a complete mapping of how DC360 maps to the national curriculum. Clicking on a unit will also take us to the corresponding lesson plans. Let's load up a lesson plan, in this case, the Safety and Security Teacher lesson plan. We are able to click through and view every section of the lesson. And as we complete the lesson, we can check it off. These lesson plans are saved per class and are able to be accessed by any teacher that teaches that class. Therefore, if you have to substitute, a teacher coming in is able to know exactly where to pick up from. Let's have a look at the progress and grades. Clicking through, you are able to view a student's progress throughout a course. Select the class, and you are able to see each student and how far through each stage they are. The stages are colour-coded, so that if they achieve below 50%, it is red. Between 50 and 55%, it is amber, and above 55%, it is green. Here we can see an example of Ricky Rickster. Here you can see multiple attempts have been made on different tasks and stages. I'm also able to see the gradebook. Here I can see each student's grade for each stage in safety and security. This is exportable, either as an open document spreadsheet, an Excel spreadsheet, or an XML file. You can select which items are to be included and hit download. Finally, at the admin tab, you can see a list of all your students. Select the class and hit search. Here you can see all your students' names, which group they're in, navigate to their grades, submitted work, submitted feedback, their targets, view their notes, and view their flashcard progress. This video demo was a quick run-through of the power that Deliver Computing 360 provides. However, it wasn't able to show everything, and there are many more functions that DC360 has. If you head to the side menu on the main website and click on DC360 Manual, you'll be able to view tutorial videos for each specific function in the website. You're also able to contact us for further details, and feel free to book a live demo.